What them a go do ya now? Newlink and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. Newlink.
Yes, my people, big up on yourself in the morning. As I would have said, good morning. Don't know the thing, but you don't know. Yeah, man, we there people giving thanks to life as usual on a daily basis. You understand? So, right about now, people, I'm telling you something. Before me even start what I'm going to talk about. But that's why I say, why Jamaicans don't like hear the truth? Why we always run from the truth? Why we scared of the truth? We don't know why. You get me? But fix that business done with that Newlink. Yo, I go on now, people. See this youth now? We go viral out here. Everybody like him, everybody talk about him. Jamaican, get to Michael Jackson. Yeah, man. Now, people, why me all go talk about this youth now? Can you see I be share more from out here and I highlight more views and people see him? Yeah, because I like so when you go out and try, no matter what. But what really hurt Newlink now, people, see, is Marlon Samuel's remarks when pass about this local youth. See? Marlon Samuels, let me tell you something. You know say Newlink rate you. See? You're somebody where me rate. You're somebody where me rate. But Marlon Samuels, there's a fair cross the line, brother. Newlink ratings are gonna drop for you. Because there's a fair this local youth. There's a fair this ghetto youth. There's a fair this poor youth. Newlink ratings are gonna drop fully for you, brother. You're low. See all of the business where you have with Yannick and whoever and anybody, me not check for that. But you say once you come to me, go on there, so even if a joke you take it as, because you are going now. You is a big public figure. See? You is somebody where plenty people look up to. So in the past, bad remarks about people, I could have joke or fun people I see it, and never did a joke, brother. Because I see it. People, you want, if you never see it, you understand? The remarks when this man pass, but this local youth named Jamaican Michael Jackson. Alright, here we go on now. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to play it, people, on just look on the local piece of the clip, hear the remarks of the man pass, and then me come back to you. Listen, and then me really talk.
This me I talk about, alright? Buckle out, where Michael get the Adidas sponsor from, man, with 2 stripes. The Adidas logo the big like a ganja leaf.
Alright, people. Wanna hear that? No, not joking. Wanna hear this? A big old Marlon Samuels that, you know. Marlon Samuels, you see right now, brother. Here's a big P-U-S-S. That you even know. With all a big wipe on the youth. Remember Newlink tell her that, brother. Yeah, man. Me I tell her that straight up, my youth. Marlon Samuels, I forget where you come from, my youth. Eh? You never born in a money, brother. You never born with small youth. So you can't see a look get a youth like this now. Y'all go pass remarks by man can dance and them something there, brother. Y'all go talk about the man pants with the Adidas them big and something. My youth, you're rich, you know. You have money, you know. You have money. So why you couldn't come so boom and buy some real Adidas then? Buy some real shoes. The one you know say are really expensive and carry go give the youth as a donation. Eh? But instead, you come as a big celeb, my youth, and I pass them dirty remarks about the local youth. Eh? All I say, man, can't dance and them something to people. I'm telling these people, you see the local youth, Jamaican get to Michael Jackson. Why you think people they like him first? Tell me. He mouth, right? When they just in a teeth there. Next thing, you know why them like him to people? The way I move. You get me? I say, them like if you know says I could get to youth and him a do him look a thing. Because nowadays people, nobody now really follow up Michael Jackson like that again. We still love him, we still respect him. Yeah, he's setting trend, he's setting him, but now people, but when I see this youth saying come with him, get to thing, that's what people want to see. See, entertainment, it's fun. So I don't know what we are going to expect him to be the best and the talented and the most talented. The man saying him Jamaican get to Michael Jackson. You understand? Are the entertainment people. Look how much artists out there. What's them a run place? Eh? Some of them sound like people like when they on toilet and I try force out to let it out and they can't come out of your strain. And so some of them sound. And some of them are big artists and they make much money. Eh? Talent about people again. You think a talent about people again? Yo, Marlon Samuels, brother, you don't even know my youth. My youth, you deserve a big attack in your face, brother. Not joke me, I make with you in Marlon Samuels, my youth. Eh? Come and style up the local youth. And I diss up people. I told me not play everything, but the man diss up the youth to wicked, you know. A 2 video and create, you know. He create a video because the youth got an interview for ER one day, you know. You understand? I respect Anthony Miller for do that for the youth. See? The youth got that interview for ER. And the youth comes up, boom, and show off him dance. Marlon Samuel criticize the youth people and talk say, yo, the video editor, them how him gonna pay them. If you link him up, make him pay them some big money because yo, them are the best video editor. Because they make him wanna do this and I do that. Brother, you know nothing good for sort your mouth to you to look at you. Where look at you there, Marlon Samuels? Where they look at you there? Alright, manager there something. Me have to big up the youth manager to the brother will say my manager look at you when you what's here, so. Zane, big up that youth there. You know what I mean? Big him up. People, let me tell you something, man. You see me Newlink, I respect every local ghetto youth. And when I see them a try because this youth could have choose a different road. He could have come some boom, like what many others do. And say, well, I'm going to take up gun and go bust. Because the youth is saying he's 21 years old. Right? People, listen, my man. Support the local youth thing. Support him thing. Jamaican ghetto Michael Jackson. Yo, you see all of the people who follow Samuels and a blast look at you and I diss him too. Because some people are comment and a style look at you, you know. You say Uno. You say Uno. I'm telling me now nothing good for say about Uno. And a straight attack for Uno. Zane, Samuels, fix up your backgrounds and your follow grounds, my youth. Enough is enough now. You know what I mean? A whole of people your style up, brother. You need to build my youth. You need to build yourself, brother. Set example for your local youth them. Remember say you come from nothing, you know. Remember you come from nothing, you know, youth and you talk that too, you know. So why you want to come style and get to youth? Just because you can buy Louis Vuitton and all of them Gucci and the brand name now, you come style the youth boy Adidas. Me wear them Adidas the too. Zine, me wear them to see you see now me Adidas, you come say Newlink in Adidas. I that tell you forgot you actually and even know that tell us something your boy, that tell us something you see. Think I joke me and make people. You can't tell a youth where for wear. At least the man where manage the youth people, the man come forward and the man tell us, yo, nothing I go on for the local youth. You understand? And he comes a boom, because youth mother drop out. And he comes a boom and see it and I him take him up and say, yo, you know, you want to run with him. You know what I mean? Youth, the man say, you provide place for youth sleep. So you see man a try, they not earn the money people, worse they not get no shows or nothing. See, but man a try with the local youth. So if a man can stay some boom and buy some fake Adidas or whatever and buy him or some old Kickman, Kilimanjaro, all shoes for him dancing. You understand? And some spingling pants. You know what I mean? And some wink and taka jacket. Nothing wrong with that. But Samuel's my youth, you can't diss the local youth like that. You get me? I say you go low. And the people need to tell you, brother, say you need to stop the foolishness, my youth. No joke thing about it. I see you over and over do things like them, my youth. But that time, I respect you, you know. And I rate you. But my ratings drop for you because that time, brother, you cross the line. And watch people have viewed the thing and that, but you burn me people. A burn, I feel it. You can't even know. You know, I'm proud of the local youth, man. I say from the ghetto, Jamaican ghetto, Michael Jackson. My youth, Samuel's my youth. I can't even know, brother. That's why I see why woman is not turning there in my youth. You know what? Because you chat too much, my youth. Big man thing, you chat too much, brother. You see it? You chat too much, man. Hold your mouth, man. You lock shop. You know what I mean? Keep on your mouth, man. What I'm telling you, man? Where you got to chat because you want to get a little spotlight, so you got to choose the youth where I get look of fame now. You know? You're a star, man. You can't look fame off and look get to Michael Jackson youth. That I'm telling you, Michael Jackson a star in any of this, but a star. Because if he was a star, you would have called up in him. I'm going to think you diss him up. But he was a star. So much things out there could have talked about, you not talk about that, but you choose get to Michael Jackson. Because you try off of music, brother, and it don't work. Zine, you try off of music and it don't work, my youth. The music don't work for you, you know. You know, see that? The music don't work for you. But you know you come this up get to Michael Jackson, man. The foolish to start Samuels. And you need to give you a public apology. Yeah, straightforward. Marlon Samuels, you need to get Jamaican get to Michael Jackson a public apology. Newlink, I tell her that. You need to come publicly and talk the reason why you do it if it's for fun. And even for fun, entertainment, or if you bust, you can't bust people by discriminate and talk bad against them. That way. See? That different. This is not the gully bop situation. This is a different situation. This is a local ghetto youth, 21-year-old youth. From when come from people, Matches Lane, Spanglers. Talk your lane, you talk where you come from. Big up Matches Lane, our place. You understand? I respect every ghetto youth, and all ghetto youth and also Newlink respect you know. You understand? You don't go to Newlink come and this and style you know, unless you go do something out of the way. See? But once you get a youth up on the right path, Newlink back on the youth. Get me a sense of Samuels, you need to build. Remember me telling that. So you don't know what the thing of my viewers and my subscribers, man. Enough love and enough respect in it. You don't know Newlink with people. We have to say, yo, we have to do real things, people. You understand? Anything we have to really do it from our heart. You get me? So we not try to bring down go nothing bad against nobody. But me gonna say, yo, Jamaicans, if we respect the truth. When truth come out, respect it. Sometimes we family then do some things and we have back them and support them when the truth go out there. But I just live still. I don't know. So you don't know people big up on themselves, man. Enough love and enough respect. You understand? Day in the morning and rain and fall and thing in the morning, which is right, which is good. You know what I mean? Because I love to rain in the morning, people. So just big up on yourself, man, and stay blessed. You understand? And keep safe for everyone and keep on attacking people. And leave in a comment below the video, man, and wanting to drop some attacking of people. Wanting to drop some attack. Blast them out, you understand? I make them boy they know, so yo, them low, them go around the thing. You get me as a people for them style the thing, so make them know straight up. So listen, yo, you violate the thing and you're low. So big up on yourself, people, enough love, enough respect, and keep on attacking, keep on supporting the link. Peace out and respect every time. Big up, attack them link.